Hey lovely, so we're starting off with kind of old blow dried hair, and we're going to be doing a zigzag method today for the front. So here I am parting it. For today I'll be using the Garnier Frutis Curl Nourish Buttercream, and I love this because it's very nourishing for my hair. Usually I have a spray bottle near me, but usually I would spray some water on it and then put the nourishing cream on it, and then I'm going to also be using my Pillow Soft Curls gel as well. So after this first twist, I'm gonna go towards kind of the middle of the flat twist, and that's when I'm gonna start my next part. Sorry, y'all. Excuse me chewing because I forgot I had the gum in my mouth. Low key. Sorry. Now, when doing natural hair, you want to make sure you're nourishing your hair and also detangling it. So when you're detangling it, you want to start combing from the ends towards the top, because if you start from the top to the bottom, you're going to be pulling out unnecessary strands of your hair that we don't want that to happen. Now, the number of twists you want to do on the flat twist you want to do on the front is totally up to you, but to at least get the zigzag method, you need to do 2 twists. Now, I'm doing at least, I think I did 4. So I wanted that full zigzag twist method. Now I'm connecting the first twist and the third twist I start doing. I'm connecting them together, and I'm going to do the same for the other side. Now for the back of my hair, what we're gonna do is, you can do small sections if you like, but I'm doing big sections. Time consuming, that's why. So now I have my spray bottle. I'm gonna spray with water. Then I'm gonna go in with the Curl Nourishing Buttercream, and then I'm going to brush it out, make sure it's all detangled before I get ready to twist it. So what I'm doing for the back is I'm braiding it, and then when I get towards the end, I'm going to roll it up, and then I'm going to pin it down so the ends won't be straight. So this is the next day. All the braids I put in the back, I'm going to do a takedown right now. So here, some parts of my roots weren't fully dry, so I'm just drying them with my blow dryer. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna blow dry my roots. I'm gonna be sure not to get any of that heat on my ends because I just want volume at the top. So what I'm doing here is I'm using my pick to fluff out my roots to get all that volume. And this is a side by side of the fluffed out versus the not fluffed out. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Now I'm going to use Carol's Daughter's Curl Refresher Spray, just so it doesn't look too dry. Here I wanted the front a little fluffed up more, so I'm taking a hairpin just to hold that. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching, and I will have more videos coming soon.